In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get cards in Talkie AI. We'll start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Talkie AI, then press Enter. From the results, click the official Talkie AI website. You'll know you're in the right place when the address shows the talkieai.com domain. This takes you to the homepage where you can browse a gallery of characters. To open a card and begin customizing it, select any character you'd like to chat with. That opens the chat interface. Look to the right side of the screen for the panel with options and click the gear-shaped settings icon. Inside the settings, find the section labeled Persona Card. This is where the character's identity and behavior live. Now choose Customize Persona for this chat exclusively. This option keeps your changes scoped to the current conversation so you don't unintentionally update every instance of the character elsewhere. It's perfect when you want a tailored vibe for a single chat while preserving the original. Give the persona a clear name. Pick something short and memorable that reflects the character's role. Avoid personal or sensitive details. Next, select the pronouns that best fit how you want the character to be addressed. Consistent pronouns help the model maintain the right tone and point of view during the conversation. In the description field, set your own persona. A concise, high-quality description works best. For example, you could write, "A calm, intelligent virtual mentor who gives thoughtful advice." You can add cues about speaking style, areas of expertise, and boundaries. Aim for present tense, keep it positive, and be specific about what the persona should prioritize. If you want a more dynamic experience, mention how the persona should handle follow-up questions, ask clarifying questions, or provide step-by-step guidance. When everything looks good, click Save. Your persona card updates immediately, and the chat will start responding with the new characteristics you defined. If something doesn't feel right, you can come back to the same settings panel and adjust the name, pronouns, or description at any time. Small tweaks often make a big difference, so don't hesitate to refine tone, depth of detail, or areas of focus until the responses match your intent. That's it. You've opened a character, customized the persona card for a single chat, and saved your changes. Try creating a few variations to see what style works best for your use case, whether that's a helpful tutor, a creative partner, or a supportive coach. Enjoy crafting your Talkie AI cards